What it do, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy. I'm back. I'm on my way to get a cut. I'm fucking tired, as you can see in my face. I got like 3 hours of sleep, and I'm definitely in need of a cut. I don't know if it's the white hat that made me look more scruffy. I don't know. Let's go. It's 12 o'clock. I hope you're having a great day. Or a blessed one. Both. Take the lesson and the blessing. Or the blessing and the lesson. Either way. Jay at home. The little man just woke up. He went to sleep like 3 in the morning. Because he be taking like 4 naps. I'm lying. 2 naps a day. And he be tired. Now I'm just driving to Brooklyn to go look young again because I'm looking scruffy and old. So I will see y'all in a little bit, and I'll have some more stuff to talk about because I'm tired. I need to blast some music, wake my ass up. I ain't had no coffee yet. And shit like that. Oh yeah, plus my oldest daughter made a YouTube video. I'll probably get Jay to put her link in the description. So, alright y'all, I'm going in the tunnel and I'm going to blast some tunnel. So, I'll holla at y'all. Oh shit, your boy's back. Now I know how y'all got me feeling sometimes. I'm good. Oh, I feel lighter. See? Now, I'm on my way back to the office. Pick up some of this mail. And keep it fucking moving. Alright, I just found this coconut water because I was debating what I was going to eat. I was going to get some beef patty, cocoa bread. Yeah, beef patty, no cocoa bread. I'm thinking about old days. And a slice of pizza, but I was like, nah, I'm going to keep it. I'm going to save it. Then I went to the store, so let me just get something to drink. Then I found this coconut water. I never had this one. It's pink. It's supposed to be organic. This motherfucker, little ass shit cost me $6. That was beef patty and cheese right there. It just got me a bottle of water or something. Just, I'd have been alright. But I know the wife might get some of that chicken. That's why I was like, I'll hold off. It's already 2 o'clock. I can wait another 2 hours. So I just got me a bag of chips. It's a coconut water. Let's see how this shit tastes, because I ain't never had this shit, so. From Copra. Damn, this shit tastes hella good, I ain't gonna lie. Damn, this shit tastes good. Oh, this is good. Young Thai. Please hold. Yeah, babe. See? Huh? I think I just hung up on her. She got so excited. She's like, ooh. I'm still tired. See the bag in the eyes. I'm down here by the Barclays Center. Hello, baby. I'm talking to the people.
Oh, sorry. I'm just saying, did you get a text message that they're delivering my package to the wrong address?
Please hold, ladies and gentlemen.
You sly devil, you. She kissed you, didn't she? Yeah, I like that. Oh.
Who's calling? Say hello to your dad.
Hello?
Yeah.
I'm filming, man. Call me back at 7 o'clock. I'm filming. I'm looking Jackie Chan dead in his eye. Call me back. Call me back.
Are you a professional? We are filming. You turn on your phone?
No, you can't speak to Jackie Chan. No. They want to speak to you, Jack.
Hello?
I'm sorry about this.
We are filming right now. You sorry? You waste our film.
Call me back later, 7 o'clock.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Technical difficulties. This people in New York, I swear to God, they can't drive. Look at this. Yeah. I don't call it accident. Let's rock real quick. So these 3 cars trying to get into one lane. She just jumped into the other lane, right? This is what I gotta deal with. I get to New York. So right now I'm on Brooklyn, Flatbush. No, past Flatbush. One on Atlantic Avenue. It's the first time I'm eating for the day. 2 o'clock, some chips, coconut water. How nice. Told my wife, I'm fixing the chicken, what it is, it's going down. Chili sauce, chicken, whatever you want to call that shit. These people act like they in a rush to go somewhere, I don't know. I'm in a rush to go home. I feel so much better. Somebody else is calling me. Please hold. I don't even think I was recording right. I think I was recording in full HD. Now I'm recording in 8K, motherfucker. This shit right here, though, this is good. But I don't know if I pay no $6 for this little ass shit, but I'm pretty sure it's probably like $3 or something like that. Cause, you know, these stores, what we're doing with it be like coconut water or organic at that. But this shit tastes good. Should have bought the big one. Another $4. It's like double the size. This is good. But that shit was like $10 for this beer. Yeah, it ain't that serious, man. That's why I'm moving out the country. I gotta give me some of this African coconut. I gotta give me some real coconuts. Yeah, this shit here. America, they beat you in the head for everything. Now I gotta order some chicken and get back to work. Get back to my office. Right now I'm on downtown Brooklyn. I don't know what street this is. For the Tillery. I used to go to night school down here. This used to be the shit to hang around. Downtown Brooklyn, walk up and down Fulton Street. From Macy's all the way to Albee Square Mall. Inside the first floor, it had the lunches, the food court. Then you go to, you walk all the way down towards this way where I'm at now. And you walk right back. And I think you had like maybe 3 high schools, if I'm not mistaken, plus like a college or 2. You know what I'm saying? Stomping grounds. So you used to get your hoe and your Mac on. Hey, what's up, shorty? What it do, girl? Get that number, write this shit on the notepad. We ain't had no cell phone. That tell you how far back, though. Don't count my age. You know, I ain't gonna tell that story no more. Forget it. I ain't gonna tell you nothing. I'm 32. Alright. Now, I'm about to cross the Brooklyn Bridge. And that's it. I told too much as it is. Y'all trying to figure out somebody's age right now. No. Alright, y'all. Later. Peace out. And I'm back. If you know, then you know. See this truck behind me? See them buildings? You know I'm on tunnel it. We got that Caesar salad. Pretty good, pretty good. But that's not what I'm showing you. That's what you know. You know like I know. I got that dough, son. Oh, shit. Nigga. It's old. Gotta watch out. They come and snatch my shit. That shit hot. Hot, daddy hot. Thank you, Lord. Don't judge me. I don't know how to pray. Watch. See that? Ooh-wee. One want a bite? I'll share my chicken with you, dog. For sure. My hands are clean. Look at that. Somebody come look at this. Look at that. See that? See what I'm saying? It's so good. You gotta have your disinfectant wipes in the car. Just in damn near every door panel. I gotta go. Because my mama's phone broke down and I gotta send her, take her to AT&T. Yeah, another one. So, with that being said, I'll get some napkins because I don't need to go in there messy or nothing. What I'm going to try. You know it's hot, crispy. I don't want my hands too dirty. Then I have to grab a drum. Alright, let's just grab a drum. Let's just grab a drum. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Oh. Damn. My man had a heavy hand on that lemon pepper. Jesus Christ. Lord. My man. Dope. Alright. That one was heavy-handed seasoning. Like, he just said just that one drum is getting it good. Oh. It's still good though. Oh, mine right there. Come on, man. Take it, man. Oh, somebody calling me. How she know? She must have knew I bit the chicken. She had to know. Hello?
You still over there?
I just got the food.
Oh, okay.
Headed back now.
Alright. You was already chewing?
Huh?
I see the grease on you.
Nah.
Okay.
Alright.
Look at that, you can't eat.
I ain't do nothing.
Looks like a whole piece of teeth.
I'm driving. I don't have. I'm trying to vlog. You messing up my vlog, man.
Okay.
Come on, man. Say hi to people, man. Yeah, all in the vlog.
People. That new name.
All right. Later. See? Talk to me and stuff. All right. Still good though. This is that one part. It must have been sitting in there. Where he probably just drizzled the rest of the lemon pepper sauce on it or something. People looking at me while I'm eating. Dog. That problem? I'm rejuvenated. There. Mad crumbs. It tastes so good. Good. It just sits there. But that other sauce, now that one here. I'm probably gonna eat all 12 of these on the way home. While I drive. I ain't want to. Let's try another piece. Let's try flat. I'm gonna close this up before I spill chicken, because I'm really upset. I dropped this chicken on while I'm driving. You know, people want me to make. Look, see what I'm saying? It's like Duke just throwing his car out. I had to stop. My chicken just flew. I've been, dog, you bought me some more chicken. Then you had to drop it to me. So I ain't waiting. This is delicious, I know. Like I said, I'm not a fan of lemon pepper. With the way they season the chicken here, I don't know. I hope y'all got a chicken spot. If y'all do, let me know where you at, what city. Whenever I do visit, if I do visit, I want to try your chicken. Cause in a few years, I'm out, dog. Bye bye, America. So good. Give me that. Alright. Enough of that. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll catch y'all later on the flip side. I'm gonna have some more for y'all later. I gotta drive again. And I'm out.
Hey guys, it is February 15th. It is Saturday. I don't know what time it is. I am being harassed by this little munchkin. And I was cleaning the room and I decided, oh, let me show you some stuff that I got from Amazon. So I got my St. John's wort. I love this stuff, okay? Okay. Like if you, women, if you are over like 40, 35, 40, this is a good thing to take. If you have anxiety, it's a good thing to take. I love this stuff. So I had to get me some of that because I had the liquid. I don't like the liquid. He's just climbing all over the place. I just bought him a new mat from Amazon and that's where I'm filming from, the mat. Oh, what is this? This gotta go back. I bought some whisk. Look at this. What is this? I bought this to whisk the farina, right? Because our whisk was messed up. What am I supposed to do with this? Now I gotta send this back because this is like some mini stuff. Sorry. This is some mini stuff. What am I supposed to do with this? Alright, so that gotta go back. But I gotta do my Amazon things for that. So that gotta go back. St. John's wort. Alright, now I got a box. Let's see what's in the box. I know what is in the box. And you're gonna see. Don't mind the mess. I decided to just stop in the middle and show you what I'm doing. And I'm ashy. Boy, leave that stuff alone. He always touches something. He cannot not touch something. Alright, so Matthias has a thing for pretzels, right? So I had to get him some because he likes fried plantain chips, but fried plantain chips ain't good if you eat them all the time, if you know what I mean. Because that means you can't go to the bathroom. Just gotta go back too. What in the world is this? Look at this. I bought mini stuff. Mini.
I killed one.
Mini things. So, all this gotta go back. All this gotta go back. Anyway, so he likes plantain chips, but he can't eat them because he can't go to the bathroom. Stop eating this. He's chewing on everything right now. So I had to get him some of these. Look, look, look. Watch, watch, watch. You know what this is. Just watch, watch. Watch. She's coming. I had to get him some of these. Right. I had to get the big bag because Mikey likes to eat them too. So I might as well just open them up. so you can see. They're thin, like pretzel chips. Like potato chips. So I got him the original ones. He's not that big on flavor yet. And then I got these because I wanted to try them. So there's sea salt and cracked black pepper, and you could put I said deli style. We're about to open. I don't know. I don't smell like nothing. Oh, it tastes like salsa. Oh, that's good. Yeah, so I got that for him. I got 4 bags. Because I don't like to run out of things. Especially not with him. And we're supposed to get a snowstorm. And then everybody eats them in the house. So I got enough. And now I got to return everything. So that's it. I just stopped in and said, hey. Look at my TikTok glasses. You can hear.
You fucking bitch.
With these. Wait. Michael.
Okay.
Anyway, I shall talk to y'all later.